So Mustafa, watch this recording. I'm going to talk you through what to do, and so watch the recording so you've got all this, all right? Or I'll tag me in a post on Facebook and I'll write it all out for you. It's super easy to do. You go to your product in your inventory, so go to inventory, go to your product, go to your product details page, and then there's a tab on the top which is for variations. Click on that tab, and then you want to select the kind of variation that you're going to be doing. So you can have variations on color, on size, on all sorts of different things. So you want size, so size variation is what you will click on, and then you want to fill out all the information about the different size. So every different variation, you do this for each one. So if you've got small, medium, large, extra large, then you do this 4 times for each variation, okay? And you should also change your title, and you may also want to think about changing your images as well, because Amazon treats each variation as a separate product with a separate ASIN number, and you'll need a different UPC for each variation, okay? You also should fill out your SKU as well. That's an optional thing, but I think it's always good to fill it out. Fill out your product ID, select the product ID type, and as I said, you'll need a new UPC. You can also use an EIN here in Australia. Fill out your conditions, your prices, yada, 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 just like you would do for a new product, okay? So it's just go through the process, step-by-step process that Amazon presents to you once you go into your product detail page through Seller Central, click on the variations, and from there fill out all the information. It's pretty easy to do, Mustafa. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.